Imagine walking out of your house without reaching for your phone. No checking notifications. No pulling a screen out of your pocket every few minutes. No staring down at a display while the world passes you by. That might sound unrealistic today, but Snap thinks that's exactly where technology is headed. The company has officially unveiled its brand new augmented reality glasses called Specs, and according to CEO Evan Spiegel, this could be the beginning of the post-smartphone era. But before you get too excited, there's one detail you need to know. These glasses cost $2,195. Yeah, over $2,000. That's more expensive than most flagship smartphones and even some premium laptops, which immediately raises the question, who exactly are these for? If you've been following Snap for a while, you'll remember that this isn't the company's first attempt at smart eyewear. Back in 2016, Snap launched Spectacles, camera-equipped sunglasses that generated plenty of headlines, but never really caught on with consumers. Instead of giving up, Snap spent the better part of the last decade quietly refining its augmented reality technology behind the scenes. And now, they believe they've built something that can change the way we interact with technology altogether. Unlike Apple's Vision Pro, which requires an external battery pack, Snap says Specs are completely standalone. There are no cables, no pucks sitting in your pocket, and no extra hardware hanging off your body. Everything is built directly into the glasses. And these aren't just glasses that show notifications. Each lens can display digital content right in front of your eyes while allowing you to see the real world around you. Snap says the display system can produce up to 16 million colors and offers a 51-degree field of view, creating an immersive augmented reality experience without completely blocking out your surroundings. Inside the glasses are two Snapdragon processors. One focuses on computer vision, while the other powers AR experiences. Together, they enable features like hand tracking and low-latency interactions, helping digital objects feel like they're actually part of your environment. Need to grab a virtual object? Navigate an app with gestures? Interact naturally without reaching for a controller? That's exactly the kind of experience Snap is aiming for. Battery life comes in at around 4 hours on a single charge, and the included charging case extends that to roughly 20 hours of total use throughout the day. There's also a magnetic cable that lets you connect Specs to devices like your phone, computer, or even a gaming console, allowing you to stream content directly into the displays. As for the design, Snap clearly isn't trying to make these disappear on your face. The frames are bold, chunky, and futuristic. You're probably not going to mistake them for a regular pair of sunglasses. The glasses also include visible light and infrared cameras, along with an LED indicator that lights up whenever recording is taking place. And if you wear prescription lenses, Snap says removable inserts will be available, making the glasses more accessible to different users. But here's what makes this announcement interesting. Snap isn't just launching another gadget. Evan Spiegel believes people are getting tired of living through their phone screens. He argues that we're missing moments, spending too much time looking down, and craving a more natural way to interact with technology. Instead of pulling us away from the real world, augmented reality could blend digital experiences into everyday life. It's a bold vision, but Snap isn't alone. Meta has found success with its Ray-Ban smart glasses. Apple is betting big on spatial computing with Vision Pro. Google is developing its own AI-powered eyewear. Everyone in tech seems to agree that the next major platform could live on your face instead of in your pocket. The problem is convincing consumers to make that leap. Because no matter how impressive the technology is, asking people to spend over $2,000 on a completely new category of device is a huge challenge. So, are Snap's new Specs the future of computing? Or are they another ambitious experiment arriving before consumers are truly ready for it? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear. The race to replace the smartphone has officially begun, and Snap just made one of the boldest moves we've seen yet. So what do you think? Would you spend $2,195 on a pair of AR glasses if they could eventually replace your phone? Or do you think smartphones aren't going anywhere anytime soon? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.